Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. PFRDA recruitment was announced yesterday, and in that recruitment there are two legal vacancies. I know very less number of vacancies, only one for unreserved category, but the pattern and syllabus is almost similar to SEBI and IFSC. So if you are targeting all of these exams, PFRDA is a good opportunity which can give a direction to your preparation. In this video, we are going to specifically focus on the previous year cutoffs of 2021 and 2022 of PFRDA legal. In 2020, the pattern was different, so we'll not discuss the cutoffs of 2020, but we'll focus on the cutoff of 2021 and 2022. The exam pattern, law syllabus is already given in the notification, and I have discussed that yesterday in the notification video. If you have any queries in that, you can write them in the comment below. Starting with the important dates, you can fill the online application form from 23rd of June to 6th of August. Phase 1 exam is on September 6th. Phase 2 is on October 6th. Moving to the eligibility, for legal stream, bachelor degree in law from a recognized university or institute is required. Final year candidates can apply. Those candidates who have already appeared for their final exam and are awaiting results can apply. Their results should be out. Their mark sheet should be in their hand by the time they appear for document verification. Then coming to the exam pattern, in phase 1 you have two papers. Paper 1 is QRE-GA. Each paper has 20 questions of 25 marks. So this is quite similar to SEBI legal and IFSC legal. And there is no sectional cutoff, no subject cutoff. There is one overall cutoff of paper 1 which will be decided later on. Then in paper 2 there will be 50 MCQs of 100 marks. If you remember, in SEBI, you had to get minimum 30 marks in paper 1, minimum 40 in paper 2, and overall minimum 80. This minimum score is not present in PFRDA. Here the cutoffs are decided later on. In 2022, this was the cutoff. For legal category, for paper 1, the cutoff was 2022, which was less than 30 if you remember in SEBI legal, and can be easily achieved. And in paper 2, the cutoff was 41.5. The overall cutoff was 64.19 aggregate cutoff. And similarly, if you go for 2021, the exam pattern was same, but there was no legal vacancy. Here there was information technology, finance accounts, other vacancies, but you can see how the cutoff was decided later on. Then coming to phase 2, here also you will have two papers. Paper 1 is descriptive English, which has 3 questions of 100 marks. Paper 2 is your legal paper, where there are 50 MCQs of 100 marks. So there is no descriptive legal paper, there is only objective portion in the law part. The syllabus of paper 2 both for phase 1 and phase 2 has already been disclosed, so you can just stick to that syllabus mentioned in the notification. Now coming to the cutoffs, in 2022 in the legal, for paper 1 which was your descriptive English, the cutoff was 51 for unreserved category, and for paper 2 out of 100 it was 33.25, and the overall cutoff was also less, it was 61. Then in 2021, there was no legal vacancy, so we are not going to discuss these cutoffs in detail. After that, there is interview. The phase 3 is interview. Phase 2 shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. Phase 2 examination has 85% weightage and interview has 15% weightage. Coming to the final cutoffs for selection, in legal category, the final cutoff was 70.23. Now remember the phase 2 cutoff. The phase 2 cutoff was 61. So if a student has got 61 score in phase 2, this is given 85% weightage for final selection. Multiply it with 0.85. This is equal to 51.85. Now the weightage of interview is 15. So let's say the score of interview is out of 15. Out of 15, even if a student gets 15 out of 15, add them in this 51.85. The total becomes 66.85. And this student has not cleared the final cutoff. Thus, here you can understand that you will have to target high marks in phase 2. Even if you get 65 marks in phase 2, this will become equal to 55.25 when you convert it to 85% weightage. And if you add 15 marks of interview, then you are just able to clear the cutoff. And getting full marks in interview is very difficult. So you should be targeting good score in phase 2. Be thoroughly prepared for phase 2. Here, if you have any queries, any doubts with respect to PFRDA notification, eligibility, any kind of query with respect to preparation, you can join the free workshop which is at 7 p.m. today. You can register for this workshop using the link present in the description. We'll be having discussion on all the subjects preparation, quant reasoning, English, general awareness and law portion. We can dive deeper into cutoffs and how much should be your target score. That is all for now. If you have any queries, any doubts, do mention them in the registration form for this workshop. Join the workshop to get all your queries answered. You can also write them down in the comment below. At iExamB, we offer PFRDA course for various streams. And for legal stream also there is one course. In fact, you can go for a combo course for SEBI Legal, IFSC Legal and PFRD Legal preparation. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.